Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of handmade embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, in this video, I am going to share a very beautiful, exquisite and classic collection of kutch work, Gujarati jama, sindhi embroidery, different type of attributed style patterns for one embroidery stitch that is being shown to you onto your screens. So guys, you can make your necklines, kurti neckline, shirt neckline, your blouse more beautiful, creative and amazing with the help of just following these patterns of embroidery. So if you really like the design patterns of today's video collection, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Guys, on daily basis, we try our best to share amazing and creativity with you with respect to hand embroidery arts and continuous support. And in return, we expect your love into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. One more thing is I request you to don't go anywhere, watch that video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, beautiful and trendy ideas. Different stylized patterns of neckline like no long necklines that would absolutely go amazing for blouse embroidery. Round necklines, bot neck necklines that will go absolutely favorable for kurti designing.